Hi there, Mike. My name is Mary with the Principal Marketing Firm. The first thing that I want to say is that you have a phenomenal receptionist, Tony. The minute that I got on the phone with him, he had the best customer service voice ever, and he also had the best enthusiasm. So before I jump into anything, I just wanted to put that out in the clear. But again, my name is Mary, and to jump into this video, I just want to talk about these three really major topics to help bring in more customers to your business today. I know you're probably sitting at your desk or in your car, anywhere you're watching the video, and you're thinking to yourself, why do I need this? And what's in it for me? And how is this going to be helpful? And that's what I'm here to explain if you just give me a moment. Although in the business culture, we know that local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can impact them and benefit them. And sometimes the only hesitation that you may have is hiring somebody who is or isn't an expert. Now, I know that you guys are paying for advertisement. I've done my research on you guys. You guys are knowledgeable about digital marketing. So before I go on this long spiel, let's just jump right into it. The first topic I want to talk about is content. So content for you guys is how many words you have on your page. Google wants at least 1,500 words on your page to be optimized, to be seen on Google, and Google will know, yes, exactly what you're doing. We know that they are doing home loans. We know that they are with real estate, and that we found you easier and better. Currently, you only have about 280-ish words. Your competitors, they have over that amount. They have under 1,500 though, so they're very, very beatable right now. Now, also what I wanted to jump into is keywords. Now, we use this site called Ahrefs, and it's actually a site that works for ranking and the density of these keywords. So if I click on you guys have 169 organic keywords. I want to jump into this so I can show you guys some more facts on here. So you do get that really, really good Reno real estate keyword coming to you guys, which is 2,500 volume. You also get Nevada real estate groups, which is 200. Now you guys are getting one really good keyword coming to you guys. If you go over to their page, they have 8.5K keywords. They're getting way more keywords, but we can take their keywords that they have and use them. They're getting realtors in Reno, 1.3K. They're also getting Reno real estate, which I know you guys have that. That's 2.5K. You know, you also have homes for sale in Truckee. You have homes for sale Reno, Nevada. This is 6.2K. Their volume is getting in more, so Google is recognizing them more than they're recognizing you guys currently. We know that you have ads, like I said, but you're not even getting brought up when we look up Reno real estate agents, or whenever I would even type up some of those keywords, your advertisement isn't even getting brought up. Sometimes when you're paying for advertisement, you don't know exactly what you're paying for. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about is citations. Now, citations are basically the Google Map Pack, which is this area right here. The Google Map Pack is going to be the name of the business, the address, and the phone number, aka the NAPs, which I know you see that right here with some of your competitors, that they're first. Probably asking yourself, Mary, how do I get on there? I need to be on there. And don't worry, I definitely understand, and that's what I'm here for. To answer your question, we go over here to another source that I use called WhiteSpark. So WhiteSpark shows how many citations you have. Currently, you only have 17 citations. We want to make sure that you're having a little bit more. Some of your competitors have 11, some have 9. But those major competitors that are being shown on the front end of the Google Map Pack, they have 63, they have 67. We can beat this out. You're actually supposed to have about 200 or 300 citations to keep that main spot. They don't know that. We don't need them to know that. I've done my research on your competitors around the area to see what we can do to help you guys and benefit you guys in that area. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is going to be your backlinks. Now, backlinks are a very important aspect to Google. We call these things that give your site authority. We can search for, like I said, Google Reno real estate agents, right? And you're going to see some different stuff that might pop up on here, like Zillow. Zillow is going to be referred to as a backlink. Now, for an example, you want to make sure that you have relative backlinks going back to you. You don't want to have backlinks that are irrelevant to what you are trying to sell or you're trying to provide information for. In this case, if you are doing pizzas, it'd be relevant to have a pizza site being back to you. But it wouldn't be relevant for you guys to have Pizza Hut being slinged back over to you guys because you're not slinging pizzas for a living. Therefore, that would be irrelevant. Now, the three things that we talked about is the content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, 200 to 300 to beat out your competitors by a landslide. You also would need more relevant sites pointing at you guys, and that's what we call the backlinks, showing Google that you have that authority and that you're implementing these strategies to show Google that you want to be number one in that area, which would be Reno, Nevada, Truckee. It would also be Sparks, Nevada, all of that area. Now you can either take the information that I provided, Mike, and you can just say, I got it, listen, I don't need you, I could do it myself, which it would not hurt my feelings at all. Trust me, I know how it is to be a business owner. I own this business myself. Or you can do an effective route, and you can say, you know what, I need to save myself some time. I have already enough on my plate. Just give me a call and just tell me what you need from me, and I can go whatever you need me to go, route you need me to go into. We do digital marketing, so we also spruce up websites. We also do advertisement. We're not just about Google. We do other things that benefit our clients. So if you would like to give me a call at all, my number is 775-402-2885. And once again, my name is Mary, and I really look forward to hearing from you, Mike. And thank you for your time. I appreciate it.